same was with Sridhar Swamiji also. He was also very, or something, some problems came in my family also. He said, nothing to worry. These are modern time, Mataji. Chinta mat karo. You don't worry about this thing. What people will say, you shouldn't worry about this thing. Whatever happen, happen. But have faith in God. Have faith in Ganga Mata. Have faith in Gurudev. जो वो चाहेंगे उनकी मर्जी के बगैर एक पत्ता भी नहीं हिल सकेगा. That's Chidanand Swamiji also used to tell us. So now I feel अनाथ. हम अनाथ फील करते हैं यहाँ पे आके कभी कभी, लेकिन फिर वो हमारे को वो एक आती है, एक वो शक्ति आती है पीछे से. No, he is here. He is there.
As long as we all sit and talk like this about Gurudev, he is with us only.
Yes.
And then once, yesterday I was telling you, he was so fond of my father. Every time he used to send us biscuit tins, butter tins, and anything that would come to him from any of these foreigners would give, all those tins would be at my place. And as somebody was mentioning, Nitya was mentioning, we used to get so much of fruit, so much of sweet, and how much can we eat? So we wanted to share it, but nobody ever told us don't give it away. So we used to call Swamiji. There used to be one Jnananand Swamiji who was in charge of the press.
I told you.
Now where you have the...
No, I told you before also, Shantaji, when I was giving my I was explaining my experiences to you. Where is the Samadhi? Jnananand Swamiji used to stay there.
Yeah.
I told you, na? I used to go and learn Sanskrit from him at that
and
time.
there used to be a small little library over there.
Yeah.
And then, Jnananand Swamiji was very fond of masala dosa. So he would go down there. We had this Madras cafe. In those days, it used to be run by a Nair. So he used to make very nice masala dosa. So sometimes Swamiji would go down. And then when he was coming, or when he would go to the Ganga and come up, he would stop at our house, because, at our room, because we used to stay in Parvati Kutir. That was the only building that was then there. We stayed in Parvati Kutir number 2, and 1 year we stayed in Parvati number 4 behind that. So he would say, he would have a break. He used to like my father very much and his lecture, so he would have a break, and because he would be coming up panting, Krishna, he would say.
Shashi, your father told me that he will give a blanket to me, but he has never given to me. You tell your father. Pannalalji told me that he will bring this time blanket for me. I said, okay, Swamiji, I will. But you must tell him. He used to emphasize on that blanket again and again. So you immediately used to write letter to my father. Yeah, I am here. Jnananand Swamiji wants blanket from you. And वो स्वामी जी का जो स्टैचू है वो वहाँ पहले ही था, नीचे ये बाद में नहीं बना. स्वामी जी के पहले ही था. स्वामी जी
फोटोग्राफ है मेरे पास.
अरेंज एवरीथिंग.
स्वामी जी खुद खड़े हैं कुमुदनी देवी के साथ.
जब to unveil the statue.
वो स्टैचू के आसपास हम हाइड एंड सीक खेलते थे.
Because it was something like a niche.
तो we used to play hide and seek वो स्टैचू के इर्द गिर्द, जहाँ भी अभी वो स्वामी जी को जंगलों से बंद कर दिया गया है, जहाँ से हम दूर से नकल करते हैं. तो मैं बार बार गुरुदेव को नमस्कार तो करती हूँ उस टाइम पे गुरुदेव, पर मैं बोलती यहाँ मैं घर घर खेली. मैं यहाँ भी घर घर खेलती थी, और जंपिंग एंड वो एक स्टेप से 4 स्टेप्स को कूद के जाना, कूद के ऊपर जाना, एंड लाइक दैट. एंड स्वामी यूज्ड टू, एंड देन स्वामी व्हेन यू यूज्ड टू कम फॉर नाइट सत्संग, तो हम लोग, मैंने बोला ना, खाना वाना भूल जाते थे. डिनर खाना खा के जाओ. स्वामी नहीं हमने नहीं खाना, स्वामी जी आने वाले हैं, हम जा रहे हैं नीचे गंगा किनारे. 1 घंटा पहले ही वहाँ बैठ जाना. स्वामी जी के कुटिया खुलने वाली है, और मदर लोग को भी आना ही पड़ता था कि बच्चे गंगा के किनारे, गंगा में जाना. स्वामी जी की इंस्ट्रक्शन थी बच्चों को अकेले नहीं भेजना गंगा किनारे में, डूबने का खतरा है. और स्वामी जी वहाँ पे वेरांडा में चक्कर लगा रहे हैं, एंड यूज्ड टू वॉच फ्रॉम देयर. And then Sachidanand Swamiji, who was helping Swamiji for his daily course के लिए, तो वो आते थे. गुरुदेव बोल रहे हैं, ओ माता जी, गुरुदेव बोल रहे हैं कि बच्चा लोगों को वहाँ पानी के पास मत जाने देना. वो गुरुदेव वो देखो देख रहे हैं आपको, और उन्होंने मेरे को भेजा कि बच्चे वहाँ पे वो बना रहे हैं, रेत से सैंड से हम घर बनाते हैं पैर लगा के, कभी कुछ मंदिर बनाना, ये कुछ बनाना. So he was always worried about us कि ये बच्चे, worried and protective.
Yeah, very protective.
Very protective.
And then this Swami Jnanananda used to come. Then we used to offer him sweets. Gurudev has sent us. So he would say, what sweets do you have? He was very fond of laddu, bundi laddu. when we used to tell him, Swamiji, there's bundi laddu. Just now I had lunch, but doesn't matter. And then he would say, and immediately he would quote a shloka from Sanskrit, and he would say, and he would translate it to us, because I didn't know shloka, I mean Sanskrit, though my father knew. Just as in a crowded place, when a king comes, the way is made. Similarly, laddu is the king of sweets. When the laddu is put inside, automatically way will be made, he would say.
Very truly, very truly.
So, and then I used to love him saying, Krishna, he would say and say.
But he was a scholar, I must say.
Yeah.
He was a scholar.
He's the one who wrote this.
Wrote Sada Pavanam Janvi Tirvasam. When Gurudev Ji was
Shivananda Yogindra
Manen Stuti.
And he's the one who wrote the Shivananda's Sahasranama.
Sahasranama. He is the one who has written.
Finally, he was saying last मतलब उसका इनका जो लास्ट फेज था वो मीरा कुटीर में थे.
Mira, we were not actually 4 sisters, we were 5 sisters.
पहले 4 ही हुआ ना.
पहले 4, हाँ, आपके पहले 4 ही था.
बाद में 5 तो बाद में हुई. मीरा के नाम पे इधर कुटीर है. ये जो सीढ़ी जाता है ना, तो राइट में देखो मीरा कुटीर. अभी काला काला जो रहता है मार्बल में, वो निकल गया काला. मीरा कुटीर उधर रहते थे लास्ट. जब लास्ट उनका मैं आता था.
उसकी मेमोरी में my father had made. He was very upset when he lost that daughter.
He was
very. I never seen. I see why my father was so much upset. I keep on asking my mother. वो तो 4 बेटियां थी और वैसे भी वो लड़के के लिए तो करते ही थे. एक चला भी गया तो क्या हुआ? He said no, but he was very much attached with every child. Every child was very important to him. And Gurudev has really solaced him. मैंने बहुत प्यार करा उसको, बहुत